morning friends, my name is Mihir and today we are going to have lecture on adaptive cruise control system. So in adaptive cruise control system, in this definition, that is the description I have given, is I have written it in very simple manner which is very easy to understand. This uses forward looking sensors like radar and camera to monitor the distance of lead vehicle. Okay, this is the typing mistake by me. It is lead vehicle, please. Lead vehicle. So this uses forward looking sensor like radars and cameras to monitor the distance of the lead vehicle. Now in next slide I will show you this is our adaptive cruise control system. Okay, now in the front panel here there is camera and radar system which is attached to the front panel of the car. What it does, it sees whether how much is the distance between the leading vehicle and this vehicle. Okay, now you can see headway sensor. This is a headway sensor. Now this headway sensor consists of radar system and camera, so due to which the wavelengths are passed and the wavelength strike here. So after striking of the wavelength, the controls unit, which is this, it gets to know how much is the distance between leading vehicle and our vehicle. So this is our vehicle, this is leading. So this is the difference between our vehicle and the leading vehicle. So the camera gives out the ways, camera or radar system gives out the ways. The distance between these is measured with the help of control unit. So after knowing the distance, this tuning, that is time gap of distance, desired maximum speed, this is sensed, and the output is acceleration and limited braking. So if the system thinks that you are going to crash if your speed is much high and the distance is less, and the leading vehicle which is going to stop or whose speed is reducing with the time, so the sensor senses it and it actually controls your acceleration and braking system. Okay, this is what we call adaptive cruise control system. Okay, now we will see the definition again. This use forward looking sensors like radars and camera to monitor the distance of lead vehicle. The system will automatically show the vehicle down traffic to maintain a safe following distance without a driver having to do anything. Okay, as traffic speeds up, the vehicle accelerates to maintain the present speed. Okay, so in this slide, if the driver is sleeping or he is relaxing and he has not attention on the road, and this vehicle is slowing down, and in same lane if you are traveling and our driver is not attentive, so what will this vehicle do? This will sense that the lead vehicles, it is going to stop or its speed is decreasing. So this will sense and this will control the output, that is acceleration and braking system, or it will indicate the drivers first. Then the driver get indicated, so he will change the acceleration, and that is gas acceleration and braking. So he will apply the braking. So here it is given, the system will automatically slow down the vehicle down traffic to maintain a safe following distance. When the traffic is on, that means when this front vehicle is again with high speed, then the system will not be acting. Okay, then system will not be acting. फिर वो हमारी जो गाड़ी है वो हम ज़्यादा स्पीड से भगा सकते हैं. ठीक है. Now, as traffic speeds up, the vehicle accelerates to maintain the present speed. जैसे ही ट्रैफिक चालू हो जाती है तो व्हीकल हमारा एक्सेलरेट करता है, स्पीड पकड़ लेता है, वो अपने हिसाब से चलता है. ठीक है. सो नाउ आई विल मार्क इट इन रेड व्हाट इज द इम्पोर्टेंट टॉपिक्स, important things in this definition. So adaptive cruise control uses forward looking sensors. Which are the forward looking sensors? Radars and camera. For what? To monitor the distance between lead vehicle. The system will automatically show the vehicle down traffic to maintain a safe distance following distance without the driving having to do anything, do anything. ओके ये जो है ये इंपॉर्टेंट है, ये आपको लिखना है एडेप्टिव क्रूज कंट्रोल में. और ये जो है ये बेसिक, एक्चुअली ये एक बेसिक इमेज है, पर ये आप ये नहीं, ये अगर आपने ड्रॉ नहीं किया तो भी चलेगा, पर आपको ये और ये चारों चीज़ ये आपको ड्रॉ करके उन्हें बतानी है. देखिए ऑटोमोबाइल एक ऐसा सब्जेक्ट है जिसमें आप रट्टा मार के नहीं आ सकते, ये आपको समझना है, सिस्टम आपको समझनी है. तो अगर आपने ये डायग्राम्स निकाल दिए एग्जाम में तो आपका आधा काम वही हो जाता है. आप डायग्राम से भी लिख सकते हो, ठीक है. तो ये आपका काम हो जाता है. बस वो जो सब इंजीनियर करते हैं वही आपने करना है कि भाई डायग्राम दिखा दे भाई, मैं बाकी का लिख लूँगा, ठीक है. तो आपको पहला तो डायग्राम सीखना है. डायग्राम आपकी अगर ध्यान में आ गई तो आप बाकी सब लिख सकते हैं. और आपको हमेशा ऑटोमोबाइल में एक याद रखना है कि आपको वर्किंग सीखना है, आपको रट्टा नहीं मारना है, आपको वर्किंग सीखना है. तो अब हम बढ़ते हैं फोर्थ टॉपिक के ऊपर, विच इज बैकअप कैमरा. Once the luxury vehicle standard, the backup camera often displays in the rear view mirror or in dash display is now a popular option to mid-range cars, giving drivers assurance when backing out or a car parking spot or down a driveway. So backup camera first were used in luxurious car. They were provided in luxurious car, and that too the quality was not that good. But now as the technology is developing day by day, we can see the backing camera in mid-range cars also. So in this slide here we have adaptive cruise control and here we have backing camera. So now everyone has his own four-wheeler or have seated in four-wheeler, he has traveled in four-wheeler, so must know, he must have known what is backing camera. So this is the backing camera. Your backing camera is provided to this part of your vehicle, okay, this part of your vehicle it is provided, and whenever it is that system is attached to your gearbox. So whenever you put the reverse gear, automatically the backing camera is activated, and this is the frame which it shows. See, you can see green, yellow, red. This is the frame which it shows. So what does this frame do and what does this backing camera do? This range shows you, the green range shows you whenever the car is much far, the beep sound will not be applied. But when it comes to the yellow range, beep sound will be applied, that is with intermediate interval, that is beep, 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 beep. But when the red range come, that the back part is very close to your rear part of your car, then the beeping will increase, beep, 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 beep. It will be constant, okay. So this is the use of backup camera. So we will read the definition and mark the important points. Backup camera. Once a luxury vehicle standard, the backup camera often display its rear view mirror or in dash display, okay, is now a popular in mid-range, giving drivers assurance when backing out the parking spot. Okay, what does it does? It gives the option that assurance to the driver when backing out or parking spot or etc. Okay, now you will see how is it active type of safety. It is not very important. Okay, if you are parking at roadside or near a valley, if you are at some hotel and you are parking at a valley or near a roadside etc., and you have no judgment of taking taking reverse your vehicle or parking it you may crash it into others vehicle, okay, which will cause an accident. If some heavy duty vehicle is coming through on the road, and you are parking and you don't have judgment that the camera or sensor is not working, that this may cause into crash, and which may affect do accident of your vehicle.